universe is the whole of space and everything in it. The universe contains a vast number of galaxies and is believed to be at least 10 billion light years in diameter.
Outer space, or simply just space, is the void that exists between celestial bodies, including the Earth.
The orbit is a specific path that one thing in the space takes around another bigger thing. It takes Earth 365 days to orbit the Sun. Gravity is a force that pulls towards the center of a planet or star. It is found throughout the universe. Earth's gravity keeps us on the ground. The atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding a planet or other body that is held in place by its gravity. A planet is a large ball made of a mixture of rock, metal, gas, and liquid that orbits the Sun or another star.
A supergiant is a hot star that's many times bigger, brighter than the Sun.
A star is a massive ball of very hot and very bright gas. A constellation is a group of stars named for a figure or object that an ancient astronomer saw. For example, Scorpius, Taurus, Gemini, Canis Major, and Ursa Minor. Astrology attempts to study how the positions, movements, and properties of celestial objects affect people and events on Earth. Astronomy is the study of outer space and its bodies. Astronomers are scientists who study stars, planets, and outer space, like Johannes Kepler, Galileo Galilei, and Sir Isaac Newton. A telescope is an instrument that makes faraway objects look larger and clearer. It is used to study objects in space.
A comet is a small ice body that orbits the Sun. When passing close to the Sun, it heats up and displays a tail of gas and dust. Halley is a famous periodical comet with an orbital period of 75 to 76 years. An asteroid is a piece of space rock orbiting the Sun. Most asteroids in our solar system have orbits that lie between Mars and Jupiter in an area called the asteroid belt.
A meteoroid is a small body made of rocks and dust that has broken off asteroids and travels through space.
A meteor is the visible path of a meteorite that enters the Earth's atmosphere. It is also known as the shooting star. When a meteor falls to Earth, it's called a meteorite.
A crater is a hole in the surface of a planet or moon made by an asteroid crashing into it. A galaxy is an enormous group of stars, gas, and dust. Galaxies have different types: spiral, elliptical, and irregular.
The solar system is one of the arms of a giant spiral galaxy called the Milky Way. The Milky Way galaxy is so big that it will take you 100,000 light years just to get from one end to the other.
Ground control to Major Tom.
The solar system is the sun and everything that revolves around it. About 5 billion years ago, a giant cloud of gas and dust collected to form.
And may God's love be with you. Ground control.
The sun is a star that is the center of the solar system. It is the largest body in the solar system.
Major Tom. Take your protein
Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the sun, and it has no moons or orbits the sun very fast.
7, 6, commencing countdown engines on.
Venus is the second planet from the sun. It's a cloudy planet and the hottest in the solar system.
With you.
In some it's called morning star or evening star because it appears shortly before sunrise and shortly after sunset.
To Major Tom. You really made the
Earth is the third planet from the sun and has only one moon. It is the only planet in the solar system with liquid water, which covers 70% of the Earth's surface. That is why it is the only planet known to support life.
This is Major Tom to ground control.
Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is also known as the red planet because it is covered in rust red rock and sea.
And the stars look very different today.
Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and the one that has the most moons. It spins faster than any other planet. It takes only 10 hours for it to rotate around the its axis, but 12 years to travel around the sun. Saturn is one of the giant gas planets. It is the second largest planet in the solar system and the one with the brightest rings.
Ground control to Major Tom.
Uranus is the only planet in the solar system that rotates on its side. It's very windy, cloudy, and the coldest planet in the solar system.
Take your protein pills and put your helmet on.
Neptune is the most distant planet from the sun. It's above gas and ice with a rocky core.
6, commencing.
It isn't quite as cold as Uranus, but its largest moon, Triton, is even colder.
With you. Ground control to Major Tom.
A dwarf planet is a round ball of rock and ice that orbits the sun and is smaller than a planet.
Take your protein pills and put
Pluto is a dwarf planet that is already considered a planet.
control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom.
A moon is a rocky ball or lump that orbits a planet, a dwarf planet, or an asteroid. The Earth has only one moon. On July 20, 1969, the Apollo 11 astronauts landed on our moon. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Our moon orbits around the Earth once a month, going through lunar phases. The moon phases are new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent, and new moon again. An eclipse is when an astronomical object is temporarily obscured by the passage of one object between a source of light and another object. A solar eclipse occurs when the moons move between the sun and the earth, partially or fully blocking the sun. There are 2 to 5 solar eclipses every year. A lunar eclipse occurs when the earth moves between the sun and the moon. There are at least 2 lunar eclipses every year.
An astronaut is a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft. They manage a flight in the craft, coordinate operation, handle repairs on a sophisticated equipment, and work with science and develop researches.
As a kite by then.
A rocket is a vehicle designed to travel through space. It takes explorers or satellites into space and is used only once.
Out in space. On such a time.
Our space shuttle takes astronauts to space and brings them back. It has wings to guide it back to Earth.
Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man that
A parachute to blow it down. And it lands on the runway.
A space probe is a rocket explorer that goes to other planets or moons and sends back information about its place.
she packed my bags last night. We fly.
A satellite is an object that orbits a planet. It can appear naturally, like the moon of a planet, or it can be man-made, a space machine that has been intentionally placed in its orbit. It can be used for a large number of purposes, such as communication, observation, navigation, weather, and research.
I miss the earth so much. I miss my wife.
A space station is a place where astronauts can live and work in space. The International Space Station is the largest satellite on Earth. Astronauts can always see Earth from it. It has a laboratory full of electronics and computers.
NASA is the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the United States government agency responsible for the space program and aerospace research.
Why is everybody scared?
A black hole is a region of space whose force of gravity is so strong at the surface that no matter radiation or light can escape.
Everybody scared of black black holes. I know that this may sound crazy.
It is the short form of extraterrestrial, which refers to any object or being beyond the planet Earth.
UFO stands for Unidentified Flying Object. It's a formal name for a flying saucer or anything in the sky that is not identifiable as a known object or phenomenon.
Light speed is the speed at which light travels through a vacuum. Light travels at 186,000 miles per second through the space vacuum.
Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. The Big Bang was a huge explosion that scientists believe that formed the universe 13 billion years ago. The universe has not stopped expanding since the Big Bang.